Good day, everyone, and welcome to the Monday Market Breakdown. Now, guys, on this session, we're going to be analyzing pairs that we're going to be focusing on for this week. So, without wasting any time, let us get into our pairs. So, the first pair that you're going to be looking at is going to be what the euro over the US dollar. So, with this one coming onto our weekly time frame, this is how the market is looking like. So, as you can see, price did come from what this impulsive movement down, give us what this overall continuation structure. As you can see, that confirmed a breakout. So this is having what a high probability of impulsing all the way to the downside. As you can see, it's also aligning, just like also with this one, this reversal that also formed a breakout. So as now we are moving on to our daily time frame. So daily time frame, we do see price previously gave us what this continuation structure, as you can see over here. And now currently we're having what that similar type of structure whereby price is already broken out. So this is having what a higher probability of dropping all the way to the downside, just like it did over here. So now coming into our lower time frame. So all that we're looking for is what is entry pattern. So entry pattern in a form of a continuation pattern to the downside only, because the trend is trending to the downside. So this was our first entry. So I did send this one. So this is how we were looking at this one, and this is how we executed. So as you can see, currently we are running in some profits on this pair. So that is it on euro dollar. Now for our next pair, which is the Great British Pound over the US dollar. So similar, we're going to be moving on to the higher time frame. So higher time frame, what are we seeing? So over here, this is what that heavy impulsive movement, and we're getting what this correction pattern that formed over here, that formed a breakout, and also just like it did over here previously, a reversal. In fact, let us focus on the smaller one. As you can see, this ascending structure that formed a breakout. So this is having one higher probability of dropping to the downside, just like it also did over there. And as we're moving on to our daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, what are we seeing? So first and foremost, we are having what this corrective structure that formed what a breakout over here. As you can see, this formed what a breakout to the downside, just like over here. It formed a continuation. So this is having what a higher probability of dropping all the way to the downside. And now coming on to our lower time frame, what are we looking for? Just like on the previous pair, all that we're looking for is just simple continuation structure to use as our entry. So as you can see, this is that ideal type of pattern that you are looking for. So this is how you'll enter on the breakout, stops above. And we are looking to ride these cells all the way to the downside, as you can see over here. On GBP USD. So guys, I'm mainly focused on these two pairs. So currently, Euro USD, we are running in profits. We already moved our stop loss into break even. And now GBP USD is presenting us with an opportunity. So we're going to execute this one and see how it develops. Whether it gives us profits or it doesn't, we'll just have to execute and see. So guys, that is all from me. Hope this session was very informative, and I'll see you next time.